Okay, guys, we're gonna do a sound check on the drum set. You just go back there. Go back there. All right, let's do this. Let's do kick drum, snare drum, tom one, tom two, tom three, four, tom four. It's a beater. Okay, that's the end. You're here. Where did you come from? Let's do him. I'm here. Okay, I'm here. Okay, song. Joy from Inside Out. Ready? I messed up. Dead. I messed up again. I gave up. And I obviously can't forget the most important thing of the book. The fruit. Unspeakable. Don't worry, I saved him. I don't have one. I have two. And do not fall. I have three. This is not a product placement for Unspeakable. I clearly just like his snacks, but the pouch, there's 22 in each box. I recommend getting them. They're so delicious. So stop at Walmart or Target and get these now. Okay, that's it for me. It's a wild beater. Right there, it's a wild beater.